The 2 is number.
We would have had you get to trade if you want to.
I know. I'm looking. I'm just looking. Let's just say you're safe. You're safe. You're all safe. I already got a deal with you. You guys are safe.
Already got a deal with you.
I know Beth wants to keep hers.
I'm assuming the floor.
Beth? Oh yeah, she's covering hers.
Well, I wish she took this and I could steal that, and then he wouldn't have anything. Because I'm not about to trade him. I don't have to get that. But I don't have anything.
And you are being a princess and displaying your goodies.
Well, I was earlier.
Wow. Tutu's not playing this year. She would have been fun to be playing this. No, I'm good. Ike's and Mike's?
You're good, as in you don't want to trade?
No. I know, because Zoe and I are going to make a trade over here anyway.
Alright.
Wait, we're good? We could just trade again. You wouldn't steal from anybody.
Trade some boxes.
So we're going to make a deal here.
That's what I mean. We could trade again and then still make a deal, and everybody else would be safe.
Well,
They're safe anyway.
they're all safe anyway. Oh, you're encouraging me to be mean.
No.
What did Mom get?
She didn't play. She gave blood.
Come on, Adam. Figure out what you're doing, buddy.
No, somebody already got that in the game. Okay. Yeah, they saved it.
Are you happy with what you got?
So everybody gets to keep their...
I got Fiona Sher.
Look at that. Those look like stolen candy.
No, actually. They are now.
Oh my goodness. Amy's not here, so you're just taking it, huh?
What's the blue one? Sea salt. That was. This one's not just orange. It's intense orange.
I love these.
You love those? Oh, cousin fight. Looks like a fan fight to me.
Hey, honey.
What are you doing? We need to get you in the sun so we can show everybody your sparkles.
I was like, why is it you? How am I mean? Oh, wait. Mint cookie crunch. These are different. Ooh, these are crunchy too.
Okay.
I asked for these on my Christmas list.
I didn't read this.
Plotting and planning. Yeah. Oh yeah.
Some years ago. He
I
really
do
liked
too.
them.
Well, the candles are.
I mean, I do, but no, those are.
What are you doing?
I'm taking my granddaughter's movie, except she's not moving.
Breaking the third wall.
You're not moving. This is a movie.
I'm breaking the third wall.
Oh.
Stargate?